not even the same brand. I'm tripping.
Maybe it's Maybelline, maybe it's not.
Maybe it's Maybelline, maybe it's not.
Gang.
Woohoo!
Trees on fire, flame went high, and I don't ever want it to stay the same. Night on fire, new desire, and I don't ever want it to change.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be about new products from Maybelline. I wanted to do a full face of Maybelline products. I didn't do a complete full face, but I did a majority full face of Maybelline products. It was like a slight fail, but you guys will see what happened in the video, so just keep on watching. Stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Hey everybody, welcome back to... Why am I always clapping? Oh my god. Alright, hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a full face of Maybelline. I'm going to try my hardest to keep everything Maybelline in this video. So I did go to my local drugstore and pick up some of the latest products that Maybelline has dropped. So I have the bag right here, and we're just going to go ahead and jump right into this. So alright, that's not Maybelline. So a few of the products that I did want to get, they did not have, so I just substituted for what I did see. I did want to go ahead and get that Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, but unfortunately the store didn't have my shade. They had the old shades, and I understand that Maybelline did release some new shades, but they didn't have the new shades at my drugstore. And I also wanted to get that highlighting powder, but they didn't have that either, so I had to get something else. So I did get a few products, and I am going to just be demoing everything here for you guys, and I hope that it looks appropriate, because I don't know what's about to happen here. I just want to say before this video starts, I do apologize for any background noise that you guys hear. Every time I try to record, everybody wants to just make the most noise that they can. So there's nothing I can do about that. Just ignore that, please. Let's just push past it like we always do. We gotta just persevere, okay? So let's just jump right into this. I'm gonna go ahead and start out with the Maybelline Master Prime Hydrate and Smooth Primer. So this is what it looks like. I got the blue one, which is 050. Again, this is a Hydrate and Smooth Primer here. It says visibly smooths, prime skin with hydration, lightweight formula, does not clog pores. We don't want our pores to be clogged. So let's go ahead. Alright, so that's cool. Got that on. I'm just going to let that soak into my skin for a little bit, and then we're going to jump on to the next thing. While that sits, I will be taking a sip of my coffee, because you know coffee is life, right? Is coffee life? It's definitely life. So the first product that I have here that I'm going to be using is the Maybelline Master Camo Color Correction Kit, and they had 3 of these, and I got the deep shade, which is 300, and it looks like this. I really like that color there. I was going to use that. I am going to use that as my concealer, and it has orange here for the correction. If you want to go lighter, darker, you got your contour, and they also have a highlighting shade in there as well. So we're gonna give it a try. So this is what the brush looks like, if you guys care. And you know what, I'm gonna use it. So usually I don't do any color correcting, but I'm gonna do so today. I'm gonna just go under my eye to cover up my dark circles, and the little spots that I have from acne scarring, I'm gonna just cover those spots up, and yeah, let's see how this goes. Alright, so quite honestly, I'm not like a huge fan of that brush, so I'm just going to go ahead and use my fingers to blend this product in. Alright, so after some technical difficulties, I have reapplied everything. So we're just going to move forward like nothing ever happened, okay? Okay, So now that we applied that orange color corrector, I'm going to go ahead and move on to foundation. So today for foundation, sticking with Maybelline, I'm going to go ahead and use the new Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. It says up to 24-hour wear. So I have the color 355, which is coconut, and this is what it looks like. The next shade up looked really orange, and then the next shade after that looked too dark, so this is why I chose this one. I usually like to have my foundation a little bit darker than my skin tone. I just like to look like I'm tanned all the time, so I'm okay with it not being my actual skin tone, but I'm still a little bit nervous. It does come with a pump. Alright, so that's 2 pumps right there. For some reason, whenever I'm trying out new foundation, I don't like to use a beauty blender. I prefer to use a brush, so that's what I'm gonna do today. But first, I'm going to kind of just see what it looks like on my skin tone, because I didn't open it in the store, obviously. I'm just eyed it. It looked like this would work for me. Oh, it is a little bit dark, but we're gonna try to push past this. We're gonna move forward. Let's see what could happen. So I'm gonna just dot this along my face here, and then I'm gonna go in with a brush to apply. And this is just 2 pumps here. Wow, this is really dark. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. brush. Y'all, this is so dark. Oh boy. This is super, super dark. It's very full coverage, but it's just not my shade. I'm gonna try my hardest to make this work. So this is 2 pumps of the foundation. It is obviously super dark, so this will probably work good for like my summertime shade, but that's really disappointing. I like the finish of the shade, the finish of the foundation, and I also like the coverage of it, but it's just not my color. Like, it's really frustrated me. But I did go ahead and put it on my ears and down on my neck, and I'm just gonna keep on going. So to try to help balance this out, I'm gonna go back in with the Master Camo color correcting kit, and I'm gonna use this shade. Okay, I fit. So I'm not actually gonna go in with this yellow shade here. I'm gonna go in with this shade for my under eye concealer, and I'm gonna apply that with my finger just as I did with the orange concealer. So just an FYI, I like the color of this concealer that I applied, which is this color again. I like the color of it, but the coverage is like not that great on it, but we're still gonna push past this. Alright, so that concealer didn't blend out as bad as I thought it would. I was gonna go ahead and use the Fit Me powder to set my face, but because this actual foundation is darker, I'm not gonna go ahead and use that, but I will use some translucent powder to set the actual concealer. So I'm gonna use my sponge to go ahead and apply that. But first, I'm just going over once again to make sure there's no creasing, because this is a cream product and I do tend to crease quite a lot under my eye. Excuse me. So just to contour and bring a little more color to my face, I'm going to go in with this middle shade here, this like brown ish shade. And I am gonna go with my finger again and put that on my face. No, I'm not. I'm not gonna put that there. We're not gonna use that. Dang. What the freak? Alright, let me get this out of here because that's too late. That's not gonna work. We're not going to use this for contour because none of these colors are dark enough, especially with this super dark foundation. So let's push past that and try to move on to the next product that I purchased, which is the new Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer. And it comes in the packaging like this, if you guys can see. And I got this in the color 310 medium brown because I didn't want my eyebrows to be too dark, but hopefully something shows up here. So one end does have a little spoolie, if you guys could see, and the actual product is on the other end, and it's kind of like a slanted point, if you guys could see that. And this looks a little bit gray, so hopefully it doesn't come out looking really crazy, but we shall see, right? First, I'm gonna brush my hairs into place. Maybe I should zoom you guys in so you can get a closer look at my eyebrows, right? That would be helpful. Alright, so let's get started. I'm just doing small strokes here in the beginning of my brow, and I'm gonna just fill my brow in. I don't want it to look too overdone. I just want to fill in the sparse areas. So as I projected, this does look pretty gray. It doesn't look bad, but I do see like a gray tint to it, and I'm not like a huge fan of that, but we gonna push through. Alright, so I filled in my brows with that pencil. It's not horrible, but I'm not crazy about it. So yeah, that's that. I did go ahead and clean them up with the concealer. So we're going to go ahead and move on to lips. I still do have this powder under my eyes. I'm going to leave it there for just a little bit longer. No, you know what? I'm going to just take it off right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use my Real Technique sponge again. And I'm just going to press this powder in and get this out of here. Alright, so now that we are done with that, I'm going to go ahead and move on to lips. And this is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the color Seductress. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this on. Hopefully it's not too matte, but we will see. Wow. This applicator is like a doe foot, but it's kind of like pointed. This is kind of cute. I like it. I like the color. It's super, like, it's creamy, but I do see like the matte-ness to it. I'm gonna see how this is once it dries down, and I'm also gonna go ahead and grab a brown liner because I'm not gonna leave this like this. That looks a little crazy. Alrighty, so I have applied some mascara off camera, and I did go ahead and add some gloss onto this lip because I wanted to salvage the look. This is a freaking fail tutorial, but end results, I'm gonna let you guys know. I did get the wrong foundation color. I got 355, which is the color Coconut, and as you guys can see, I did my best to make it work, but it is a little bit too dark. I do like to have my foundation a little bit darker than my skin tone, but this is a little too dark. So I think that in the summer, this would be the perfect shade for me, but right now, it's not. But I did my best to make it work. I'm not a huge fan of this palette. It's okay, but it's not great. I definitely cannot get any contour shades out of this. The highlight shade was very, very pretty. I do love this. That's pretty much the only color that I really like out of it. The concealer color was okay, but I did have to use a lot of product to get my desired look. I don't like to use a lot of cream products under my eye because I do have a lot of creasing that occurs, but as far as the finish looked, everything is okay. I did go ahead and apply bronzer off camera because it wasn't a Maybelline product and I wanted to use mostly Maybelline products, if not all, for this video. Even though it was a fail, I do feel like my final look is not that bad, but I definitely will be exchanging this color out because I cannot keep it. The primer was pretty good as well. I don't have anything bad to say about the primer. The eyebrow pencil, I'm not crazy about it, but I did go ahead and make that work as well. So yeah, I mean, I really don't know. I don't know. The lip color is okay. I did go ahead and apply some gloss and some brown lip liner off camera as well because those products were not Maybelline, but the color is not bad. I'm just not too sure how I feel about the formula of it, but yeah, it was worth a try. Full face, almost full face of Maybelline products. This is my end results. Let me know if you guys have tried the foundation or any of these products out. Again, I could not get my hands on the Age Rewind concealer, which is what I really wanted to try, but I think I made it work. Let me know what you guys think about this look below. If you aren't subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.